Understanding the phrase, sack out. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fun and casual English phrase, sack out. If you've ever wondered what it means or how to use it, you're in the right place. Sack out is an informal phrase that means to go to sleep or to sleep soundly. It can also refer to suddenly becoming very tired. The word, sack, in this context refers to a bed or a place to sleep. So when someone says they're going to sack out, they're essentially saying they're going to hit the bed and get some sleep. Example: after the long road trip, Jake was so tired he just wanted to sack out as soon as they reached the hotel. Understanding a phrase is great, but knowing how to use it correctly in conversation makes all the difference. Let's go over a few examples. 1. I've had such a long day at work. I think I'll sack out early tonight. 2. She sacked out on the sofa while watching the movie. 3. If you need me, I'll be sacking out in my room. Remember, sack out is informal, so it might not be suitable for formal contexts or written documents. But it's perfect for casual conversations with friends or family. There are other phrases in English that have a similar meaning. For instance, hit the hay. This is another way to say, go to bed. It originates from times when mattresses were often stuffed with hay. Example: it's getting late. I'm going to hit the hay. Crash. In the context of sleep, crash means to go to sleep suddenly or hastily, especially after being very tired. Example: I'm so exhausted. I'm just going to crash on this couch. While these phrases all relate to sleep, each has its own unique nuance. So, it's always good to understand the context in which they are used. And there you have it. Now you know what it means to sack out, and how to use this fun phrase in your daily conversations. Remember, English is filled with vibrant idioms and phrases. Keep exploring, and happy learning! We hope this video has been enlightening, and we'll see you in the next one.